Get ready to press more in less time with logical colored WarmPEEL universal t-shirt vinyl, requiring less heat and less time than other heat transfer vinyls. Let's get started. We'll adjust our heat press's pressure so that it applies medium force against the garment or substrate. We also want to use a contact thermometer to confirm that the temperature on our heat press is accurate. Upon positioning this cotton garment onto our press, we want to pre-press without the transfer vinyl for 5 seconds to remove unwanted wrinkles. Now that we have a flat surface, we'll position our WarmPEEL universal vinyl covered by a Teflon sheet. Next, we can confirm our temperature is set for 302 degrees and time is set from 3 to 5 seconds. We're using an EnduraPress auto-release press that will open on its own when the time is up. Let's remove the Teflon sheet and just shake out some of the heat for about 5 seconds. And while it's still warm, we can go ahead and remove our liner to see our finished product. Let's try it again, this time on polyester. Now, to avoid dye migration, we're not going to pre-press on polyester. Instead, we'll just put the vinyl in place with a Teflon sheet and press. Again, no need to wait until completely cold, just shake off the initial heat and peel. Finally, we apply the WarmPEEL Universal to this nylon jacket. This time we will pre-press not only to flatten our wrinkles, but to remove the film coating that's already on the nylon. Now we can apply the WarmPEEL Universal vinyl and our Teflon sheet. When the press is finished, we'll reposition and shake to help it cool faster. But while it's still warm, we can peel off the liner. Because of the nature of the nylon material, we want to cover with our Teflon sheet and press one more time to seal the bond. That's Logical Color WarmPEEL Universal T-shirt Vinyl, a truly quick and universal garment vinyl. But in case you run into any difficulties, here are some helpful questions and answers to help you troubleshoot.